Hello guys, my name is Pajido Marino Kause. I am an automotive engineering student at the Faculty of Engineering, Yogyakarta State University. And my email address is pajidomarino.2019@student.uny.ac.id. Okay, in here I will give some simple tips of and caring for a motorcycle to stay durable. Nah, motorcycle is a means of transportation that is very helpful in activities every day. For example, go to school, to campus, to work, or traveling. But men and women commonly ride motorbikes, but are taking and caring for their motorbikes. Well, here are simple tips for caring for your motorcycle to stay durable. The first, reheat the machine in the morning or before us. Every morning, your motorbike needs to be turned on for 5 to 10 minutes before being asked for activities and traveling. This is done so that the motorbike reaches a stationary state and the oil circulation is compensated in the engine. Next, make sure the motorbike's oil is always noticed. Do not leave the oil black and thickness of oil is looking. Okay, next tips is routine check the battery. Routine check on your motorcycle battery need to be done so that they do not exceed the required limits. The bad battery condition can affect the electrical component of your motorbike. So, if the condition of your motorcycle battery not good, it can cause problems on the way. Okay, the next tips is check spark plug quality. Spark plugs are a very important part in motorcycle ignition system. Check the spark plug quality and need to be checked regularly. It is recommended that if you have passed a distance of 12,000 kilometers, then your motorcycle spark plugs must be replaced. Okay, next, check and clean the full carburetor filter. The filter section on the carburetor has a very important role for the optimal fusing process that occurs to convert liquid fuels into a form of gas that will be processed in combustion engine. Clean the excited filter on your carburetor motorbike so that the ignition and combustion process can run well, so the engine can always provide optimal power. Very easy, isn't it? I hope by doing these simple tips, the condition of the motorcycle that is asset always in good condition with optimal performance and avoiding various technical problems on the motorcycle. Thank you guys and see you next time. Bye bye.